peeps, welcome to another video. Today I am announcing the winner of my 14,000 subscriber giveaway, and if you've watched that video, and hopefully you have and you have entered, you will know that I'm giving away a £100 gift voucher to Gold Brick Fabrics on the Goldhawk Road to come shopping with me to choose some fabric, some dream fabric, anything that you would like, up to the value of £100. As I mentioned, this is open worldwide, so if you are abroad and you can't make it to London, then I will take you virtual shopping with me. I am going this Saturday and I'm aware that I'm drawing this way later than I said I was going to be. I'm very sorry about that, but thank you for being so patient. If you live in the UK and you can make it to the Goldhawk Road but this Saturday is too short notice for you, that is not a problem. Let me know and we can arrange another day to go shopping. I do not mind fabric shopping on the Goldhawk Road anytime. Let me know when works for you. And that goes for anybody who wins if you're abroad as well. So if you're abroad or in the UK and the 31st doesn't work for you, not a problem, I will go again. I have my screen recording, I have a YouTube random comment picker, I have my video up here, so I need to take the code, the link from my video, I need to put it into the random comment picker. It says filter duplicate users, and that's what we want. So we are going to get my YouTube comments. It's having a think. There are 226 unique comments, so we're going to press start, and the winner is, it's having a think, insert drum roll here. The winner is Lala. Excellent. And the comment was, congratulations on 14k, a wonderful milestone. Is it a coincidence that I'm going to be in London on the 31st? Aha! I don't think so. I would love to find a different fabric and wonderfully patterned flannel, perhaps a bit boring, but would love to interline my very first coat in super cozy flannel. Well, that's amazing. And if you are going to be in London on the 31st, that is absolutely brilliant. Now, I am going to try and find your comment down below and comment back to let you know that you've won, in case you don't see this video. Oh, the lighting's just really changed. Please email me at this email that you can see down the bottom here, and get in contact and let me know if you would like to meet up with us on this Saturday. We have lots and lots of the peeps coming. We are meeting at 11:30, although I'm going to be there from 11 because I'm going to need some breakfast, but we're officially meeting at 11:30 at the Costa Coffee opposite the Goldhawk Road tube station to have some fun and games shopping on the Goldhawk Road. So Lala, congratulations, and thank you very much to every single person that entered. Thank you very much to every single person that follows my videos, that follows my channel, that watches me waffle, that watches me talk about all the random things that come into my brain. It's absolutely a pleasure to have you come along on this journey with me. There are almost 14,500 of you now, which is mental. Yes, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. And this definitely wouldn't be what it is without you guys. So I hope you have enjoyed this very, very quick video. If you have, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't yet, please subscribe, and I will see you again very soon. Bye.